Hey folks, I got a treat for you today. We're over here at a guy's house. He's got some cool Mopars, and he's got a 66 Dart drag car. It's a 340 small block car with W2 heads. And it's got the candy stripes. It's a beautiful car. He just got the motor and all done in it, and he's getting ready to pop the cork on it. Good gracious. Man, that thing's sweet, Ken. Good gracious. Yeah, you definitely got a 6-second car there.
It's a mean sounding little thing. I don't know how it's going to run.
Can we have a look at the engine? Is that possible?
Yeah.
Man, that's
pause that. We got to take the hood off, obviously.
that's a classic hood scoop there.
Very,
You won't see those anymore.
very old tech. Very old.
We're just gonna do a little more filming here. Man, I love the candy stripes.
Paint job just as I bought it.
Outstanding car, really is. There we go. Woo. Check out that, folks. 340 small block W2. Those are iron heads, ain't they?
Yep.
And were those Econo heads?
No.
Holy cow, fender well headers. That disc brakes on it.
Believe it or not, that header right there unbolts and pulls out and comes in and out from the top. I can't say that about
I was
that.
gonna say that one there. That driver's side was a little tough. Got that master cylinder in the way. Man, that is really nice looking, Ken. Holy cow, yeah, they cut their header support out for that. Cool. All right, folks.
Should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, all right, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Oh, that's the old direct connection valve lash thing here, ain't it?
Yep.
I ain't seen one of those in years.
One on the blue car too.
Oh, isn't it? Okay, cool.